Right, don't know whether you can see them or not, I can't zoom in, but we've got all these botflies here. This is a lady's eyebrow or eyelash thing, I think. Put that there.
Say you shouldn't scrape the eggs off onto the ground because they'll pick them up and consume them when they eat. But I don't think anything's eating off this situation.
What's a botfly? It looks like a bumblebee, lays these eggs. They annoy the hell out of the horse. The horse chews on them, so they hatch inside the stomach, and they hatch these really nasty looking larvae, terrible looking things. I'll see if I can find a photo of them, and chews them out from the inside. Not many, oh, a few this side. Horses love it when you get rid of these. Hopefully the season's over, I won't have to do it again. But it's amazing how one little botfly, probably as big as that, can drive a whole herd insane. They run around the paddock and nearly kill each other. And of course they lay at all the spots that are long hair and hard to get at for the horse. They kick at them, they wound themselves. See if we can get a bit of a closer look at them. What's left there anyway. These are bloody eggs here, see them? Shitters. Down here. The old Tess doesn't mind the grooming. Look at them there. Wow. Look at them. And of course they get them right down the fetlock. They drive them absolutely crazy. So, pretty cool the rest of it. What do you reckon, big lady? Hey? Big lady. Lay, lady, lay. That tip comes to you. If it's still going, if we're still recording. This tip is brought to you courtesy of Pauline Riley, who put me onto that, and boy does it make the job easier. Thanks, sweetheart. Oh, chestnuts. Chestnuts. Anybody tell me the origin of chestnuts? I've heard various stories. I'd like to know. Get your head up here, chickie babe, up here. Put the ears up. She's got very expressive ears, this one. There's no nastiness in those ears at all. She, just inquisitive ears, aren't they? Bit like your eyes, Betty Davis eyes. Got a kiss. Good girl.
Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and click the little bell to be advised of future posts. All the best. Bye.